Hello everyone, I am Mr. Mo from Acer Software. Today I want to share with you the AutoCount Filter by Account module. So what is the Filter by Account module? I don't know if you've experienced this, but in the company's accounting department, our colleagues. So there are several colleagues, and those colleagues are doing the same thing, all able to issue payment vouchers, but the supervisor of the account department does not want his subordinates to see some more important accounts. For example, the director's salary, the employee's salary, these accounts, he handles them himself. He doesn't want some clerks in the account department handle these things, and he takes care of them himself. So in this situation, the department supervisor can allow the account colleagues to see all accounts except for a few specified accounts. So in this situation, AutoCount actually has a very powerful module called Filter by Account, this module. So you can lock this account. So in the future, any payment voucher related to these accounts cannot be issued by his colleagues as it is hidden. So without further ado, let me explain how this system operates. First of all, this filter by account is not included in the standard package. It is an module. As an add-on module in AutoCount, you need to pay extra for it. So when you need it, you can contact your dealer to purchase this module for an additional fee. So this module actually has only one function, which is how to hide some more important accounts, preventing other colleagues in the account department from seeing them, including retrieving those previous payment vouchers. We will hide them. So without further ado, let me show you how AutoCount operates. You see the current operation is that, let's look at the profit and loss. If nothing is hidden, all accounts will be clearly visible, including how much the salary is, staff, EPF, SOS. Everything can be seen clearly in this situation. So how much commission, and if you want to look closely, just click in and you can see the details, whose salary it is, including clicking in to see who the salary is for. So in this situation, to avoid unnecessary trouble, you can open this module in Tools, Program Module Setting. It has this module called Filter by Account. So after having this module, you can set it. Let's say this employee is responsible for the accounting department. Then you lock the colleagues in this department. So here, you see in the user section, there is this added feature called Filter by Account. With this Filter by Account, you can exclude unnecessary things from being seen, including salary and commission, or the entire important accounts you can turn off, so they cannot access those important details through the account. So let's continue. So before I go into that low account, you see this is the admin account. So I confirm once more, we can see all the payment vouchers, the salary and commission vouchers are all visible. So this salary account, you see it is salary, and this commission is commission. Additionally, I created a more special situation. It is mixed with other different accounts. This is not hidden. Now let's take a look at what comes out. Effect. We log into this low user. So after logging into the low user, we look at this cash flow. You see all those payment vouchers related to salary and commission will be hidden. According to this low user, then you look back in the profit and loss statement here, you can still see these salary commission accounts, but when you click in, it will be hidden. You see when you click in, it cannot find those related commissions and salaries because these two accounts are hidden. So the whole system is that simple, including the staff EPF. When you click in, it actually also hides the entire payment voucher. But there's one thing you need to pay attention to. Let's go back and look at our payment voucher. This payment voucher has a way of keying in like this, and in the case of salary, deducting EPF and SOS. Oh, some companies key it in this way. In this situation, the only account I hide is salary, but I haven't hidden staff EPF and SOS. In this case, you need to be very careful. If the first line is not hidden, the entire payment voucher will not be hidden for you. So you see, we haven't set staff EPF to hidden, only salary is set to hidden. So if when I key in upwards, putting the EPF at the very top and salary in the middle. Nay, in this situation, when you log in using a low-level account, you will notice a loophole. Now, when we look at the profit and loss, you will find we can't see the salary, but the EPF becomes a loophole. You can open it and look back at the information inside. In this situation, you need to be aware that there are two ways to solve it. One is to also hide the staff EPF, hide it, or when you key it in, you must put the salary at the top, put it in the first line. So we determine whether to hide the entire payment voucher based on the first line. So to summarize, the whole filter by account is actually very simple. You just go to user maintenance, choose which accounts you want to hide, and when hiding, you can hide the payment voucher and official receipt. Just the journal can also be hidden. Basically, any related account you want to hide, we will hide it from the profit and loss and balance sheet, as well as all data entry. Data entry includes these AI invoices, AP invoices. As long as the first line has the related account code, we will help you hide it. The whole concept is very simple. So if you have any questions, feel free to contact us. Thank you, everyone.